Let's take a look at how to combine images into a PDF, a multi-page PDF at that. So I use an app called ConvertSave, which does exactly that, converts and then saves. I actually created this app, so you can find it in the description or just go to convertsave.com. I have a bunch of different image files here, WebP, HEIC, PNG, JPEG, any combination of image files you want. All you have to do is drag them into ConvertSave. It's a drag and drop file converter. Now it's going to come in the order of the pages in the PDF, right? So if I click from here down and select these four and bring them in, it's going to be those four in that order, and your PDF is going to be in that order as well. So you can click and drag and add individual pages in as you want, and once you have all of your images loaded in, all you have to do is come up here to the top, select an output, scroll down a little bit, and make sure you hit multi-page PDF. If you just do PDF, then each of those will convert to their own individual PDF. But if you do multi-page, it'll combine all the images into one PDF. So we click that, we hit convert, and it's going to save with a file name that's whatever the first image is, and it's going to be a PDF. And so if I preview this now, we can see it's a PDF with all of our images. I'm going to hit spacebar just to preview, and you can see we have different image sizes here, but we have all of these pages here on the right, and this is my PDF now. And so this has actually come in handy quite a few times for me to combine images into a PDF. Now, ConvertSave is an offline file converter, and so it works on Mac and Windows, and it works on your desktop. And it also does image conversions, so you can convert image to image. You can combine images into PDF. You can also convert audio and video files as well. There was one day where I was just talking to my brother and I said, man, I really hate uploading files to convert on random websites and then having to download them and figure out where they go. Can you make an app? Can we, like, if I design it, can you develop it? Because he's a software developer. And he programmed this thing in like one weekend, but then we've really fine-tuned it since then to work for a lot of different file types. And so we've released ConvertSave, and it's definitely my file converter now. So if you're looking to combine multiple images into a PDF, you can use ConvertSave to do that. There's a link in the description, or go to convertsave.com. I appreciate your support, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.